Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial video, and on today's tutorial video I'll be telling you how to check your Catizen allocation and how to deposit it into an exchange. All you need to do is just your Telegram and the desired exchange you would wish to get. So I would just click on my Telegram and you could see the Catizen over there, and I click on it and I go through it, and all I need to do is go back and you see my Binance there. But let's go first to the Catizen. Click on play game and it's loading up. You know, Catizen is one of the main mini in-app game from Telegram that they have massive prospect. So you know, they raised up a lot. All you need to do is just check on the airdrop page over there. You click on the airdrop page on your left hand side and it shows you your Cati allocation. So basically I have 9.94 from invitation, 46.56 from in-game performance, and you click on the stake. You could stake, you could see staking pools that you'd want to, if you wish to stake, and deposit to exchange. And you could see the different exchanges. There are about 8 exchanges here. You could choose any of them, and there's a non-custodial wallet that the registration starts September 19th by 10 UTC. So I'll be using Binance for this, and all I need to do, click on Binance and click on continue and add your deposit address, UID and Memo to receive Cati. You know, I need to fill all of this up. All I have to do is just go to my Binance application. Over here I go to my Binance application and I wait for it to load up. Alright, whilst you wait for it to load up, please, Catizen has a lot of prospect, and I will tell you. Okay, I go to my wallet and I click on deposit. I search on Cati, CATI here, Catizen, and it's on Toncoin. Click on Toncoin and I copy my deposit address, copy to my clipboard. I take it back here and paste it on the address field. Alright, and I go to back to Binance. I copy my memo and I paste it on the memo. It's very important that you copy your memo and paste it there. Please don't make any mistake with your memo. It's the memo that's the main thing for your transaction. If you do not use the right memo, your coins would be lost, and you wouldn't want that for you. So I'll be going to my profile page to copy my UID. Over there, the top left corner, you could see my ID there, 10278314, and I click on copy. I take it over here to my UID and I paste it over here, and I click on send. Binance UID 102, deposit address, memo. Be sure all of these are correct. Confirm withdrawal of 63.15 Cati to Binance. Ensure you've completed your exchange KYC before submitting. And here is it. I'm verified on my exchange over verified and regular. So that's done. That's done for the KYC. Check your input carefully. Changes are not allowed. Literally, inaccurate information resulting in Cati return to your airdrop balance instead of the exchange. And I have confirmed everything. I click on confirm to confirm my Catizen. All right, confirm successfully. 63.15 Cati will be deposited to my Binance account automatically. All right, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial video. If you love today's tutorial, do want to like, subscribe to the SMC Tutor channel, and do well to comment if you've got any issues on it. Then if you want to support the SMC Tutor, do well to buy our educational token WikiCat on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address would be on the video description. Thank you all for watching today's video. Bye for now.